The first step in pursuing a claim is convincing a lawyer that there's a claim that should be pursued. That generally can be done by telephone. Sometimes it requires a meeting in the lawyer's office. After that, the first step that the lawyer has to take is he or she has to have a contract. His ethical rules require that he or she have a contract. Once the contract is signed, the next document that you'll be expected to sign would be a medical release, because the lawyer is going to need that medical release, if not to get your records, even to talk to an expert about your case. So the first step is to decide that you've got a case, convince a lawyer that you've got a case, hire the lawyer by signing the contract, sign the medical release, and then expect a delay while the lawyer compiles a file and gets ready to come back and talk to you a second time.